Everybody, and I hope you're having a wonderful morning this morning. And today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So as we can see, we are still in this range bound consolidation. We got a little bit of a move up last night, but then that was quickly taken back. Everyone was talking about the SEC appeal. Okay, 16th was a deadline. Now it got moved out apparently, so it's gonna be the 18th. Now, let me be frank with everybody here. Imagine that you're an investor, right? And you believe that the SEC appeal deadline is the 16th. I think everyone believed that last night. Everyone knew. But here's the thing. The price did not go up that much. It got a little bit of a spike, but then came back down. Now, none of the regular investors in XRP knew that the court case was gonna have an appeal deadline for the 18th. Everybody and their mom thought it was gonna be the 16th last night. So the question is why didn't XRP price go up higher? It's because there was uncertainty in the market and players out there still knew that this case was not over. They knew that the SEC had until the 18th to file, and that's why the price did not go parabolic. People with more information that control the moves in this market, large moves, had the information and they knew that the price was not going to rise because the SEC had until the 18th. So anyways, as we can see here, we've been in this sideways consolidation. We got this little pop at the top. I'm fine with that. That's nice. I'm cool with that. As far as my projection, this was a spike based on news. As it was, I could already see the problem with this as this rally started right here, because you had major order imbalances coming right here, starting at the 0.548 level, going all the way up. Someone had to provide liquidity for these moves. It was too one-sided. And I'm sure they wanted to clear these short orders off their books to keep their books even. So they came back down with the price, took out these levels perfectly. So I'm not even going to draw the TVP there. They took out these levels perfectly. And now we're sitting at a place where the books are even and XRP is going to range around and it's ready for its real move. Now, is that going to be a move to the upside on some better than expected news, or is that going to be a move to the downside accompanied with negative news and possibly Bitcoin just chilling out for a little bit, taking its time? We had a really good run. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit of profit taking, not a huge deal. But from where we're sitting right here, we set a higher high. I think a lot of people got sucked in last night. And, now everyone that got sucked in there, they're underwater. Hopefully they took their orders off, just for now. But this is not financial advice. And so as we can see, we are waiting for our next decision. The order imbalance at 0.525 is still valid, and I do expect price to come down to this level no matter what the news is, no matter what the narrative. We can see it in the chart. We can already see what the large investors are doing. We can see how the liquidity providers are pairing their books, and we know that we have a potential move to the downside, 0.525. Now, if we get a move to the upside, that would be great. And is this a paradigm shift where XRP starts exploding to the upside and they leave this area down here with the books uneven? And they say, you know what, screw it. This is it. It's all done. We're ready to go. Pair your losses. It's time. I'm not so sure yet. I am not convinced. I do not necessarily believe that we're ready. It's time. I think everyone can see that from the chart. Everyone got all excited last night. But unless we get a huge move up here past this high, 0.566, I'm still expecting downside continuation. And if we come down and fill these orders at 0.525, then I would expect a real and sustainable rally to the upside. Thank you.